Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to fix Explorer.exe application error in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So at first you need to press Windows and R button together from your keyboard, and you will get this run dialog box, and after that you have to type over there taskmgr and press enter from your keyboard. Also, you can right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. So you will get the same result, and after that you have to go to the more details, and now you have to go to the processes and find over there Explorer, Windows Explorer. So this one you need to find, and after that you have to click on Restart. Okay. So still if it is not working, then just go to your start menu and type over there cmd. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After that click on yes, and now here you need to put here sfc scan now, and after that you have to restart your computer after complete the scan, and it will fix your problem. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.